So, if you can detect, I'm in a different place. Because my house has been infested by termites. And we're gone for 3 days. Just took a shower. This clock. This clock. 13, 14, and 4. How does that make sense? Like this eyeballs to them. Okay, so I'll tell you what the downstairs looks like. I'll show you. That's the downstairs for you. Okay. Well, peace out.